In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up subscription plans and recurring payments in Stripe. Whether you're managing a small business or a large enterprise, setting up automated payments can streamline your revenue process and ensure that your cash flow remains steady. Today, we'll walk through this process step by step. First, head over to Stripe's official website. Open your preferred internet browser and type in stripe.com in the address bar. This will take you to their homepage, where you can access all the features Stripe has to offer. Next, in the top right corner of the homepage, you'll see the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be taken to the login page where you need to enter your email and password. Make sure you have your credentials ready because without them, you won't be able to proceed. Once you've entered your login details, click on the Sign In button to access your Stripe dashboard. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Stripe dashboard. From here, navigate to the Home section. This is your command center for managing all your Stripe activities. Once you're comfortable with the layout, go to the Billing section. It's located usually in the left-hand menu, and by selecting it, you'll open the page where you can manage client billing options. Here, select Subscriptions. This will allow you to view existing subscription plans or create new ones. To set up a new subscription, begin by entering the customer's name or their email in the designated field. It's crucial to have this information in advance to ensure the subscription is properly aligned with the correct client. After entering the customer details, the next step is to set the duration of the subscription. This could be monthly, annually, or any time frame that suits your business model. Following the duration setup, you need to add the product that the customer is subscribing to. This involves selecting from the list of existing products or creating a new one if necessary. Once the product has been picked, it is time to set the price. Carefully decide on a pricing structure that reflects the value of the subscription while remaining competitive. Next, you'll need to set when the billing starts. Consider your business cycle and choose a starting date that aligns well with your financial planning. After the start date is set, select the payment method you wish to offer to your clients. Stripe supports various payment methods, so choose the one that best suits your strategic approach. Finally, after reviewing all the information, click on the Create button to finalize the subscription setup. And there you have it, your subscription plan is now set up and recurring payments will be processed automatically.